Tagging contacts in a CRM system is a useful way to organize and prioritize leads, particularly for businesses with a large number of contacts. By assigning specific tags to customers, you can focus on the most important ones or those closest to closing a deal. The process of tagging contacts is straightforward. To begin, navigate to the contact list, which can be found by clicking on the person icon. Once you have accessed the list, you will see a Tags option at the top, which may need to be enabled by clicking on the column button and selecting Tag from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the contacts you want to tag by checking the boxes next to their names. It is generally more effective to select specific contacts rather than tagging all of them. For example, you might want to tag pre-approved customers, high-value leads, or referrals. After selecting the contacts, click the Tag button, which is usually represented by a small tag icon. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to add a new tag or select from existing ones. If you are creating a new tag, simply type it in and click Add to create it. You can also add multiple tags to a contact by typing in additional tags and clicking Add for each one. Once you have assigned the tags, the page will refresh, and the tagged contacts will be updated. Later, if you want to filter your contact list, you can use the tags to narrow down the results. This is particularly useful if you have a large number of contacts, as it allows you to quickly identify specific groups or segments. By using tags effectively, you can streamline your workflow and make the most of your CRM system.